Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use a website called Starfall. I kind of talked about it a little bit earlier in my little things that I wrote about each website. This is just going to show you a little about each one. I'm just going to show you an activity or each section right here and just show you a little bit about how it works. So first we're going to start with this ABC section. You're going to click on the arrow, and it's going to come up with this page with all the alphabet. And the nice thing about this is you can choose on any letter of the alphabet you can go over with your class, and it'll give you examples of words that start with that letter. It tells you how to say the letter, and it's just a fun little activity for kids. So let's just try G.
G. G.
It's interactive, so you can have each kid to come up and you can touch the little arrow and have them go to the next slide. And on this slide, they have the kids, you can have the kids come up and they have to find the G and touch the G.
Girl. I am a girl.
And again, they'll have to touch it.
Gorilla. Gorilla. Go. B means go. Click on a coin. 25 cents.
So this is just kind of a fun activity that they can use. You can say, look, let's see how many gumballs there are. So you can incorporate counting and math in with this activity.
25 cents gets 5 gumballs.
So that's just an example.
Goodbye.
It keeps going and it'll give you more ideas and more fun things, but we're going to go on to the next one. So the next one we're going to talk about is the Learn to Read category. And this just gives you, on the left hand side here, it tells you like this different sound that we're going to be talking about in the book. So you can click here.
Make a word with an to match the picture.
So this is kind of like a preliminary activity before you read the book. So it can help them make words and figure out kind of the main words that are going to be in the book that you'll read with these later. And it's all interactive, so you drag.
Ran, fan.
So then after you do that, you can click on the book.
Listen to the short A sound. Ah, 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 ah. Short A makes this kind of sound. Ah, 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 ah. Z, ah, k, Zach. Ah.
And you can either have them read it, or this, if you click on it, will read it for you.
Z, ah, k, Zach. Is at rat.
You can just go through the book and you can go over all the words that you went over before you read the book, and it helps them learn the ah sound. Alright, so the next category is the It's Fun to Read category. And it has all these different things, and we're just going to go to, let's do tongue twisters. And it has you can either listen to it or you can read it, and it's just a funny for kids to try and learn words and speak.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
You can kind of talk to him about the poem, and like here's the question, so you can say, was he very fuzzy? And then you can go on and teach them a bunch of other things. So the last section would be the I'm reading section, and it lets you choose the different types of things that the kids want to read. They can choose this. If you're learning about Greek myths for that week, you can click on that, and you can talk about all the different things. So a lot of the kids like Pegasus, so you can talk about Pegasus. And it has a whole story about the horse named Pegasus, and you can read them the story and ask them questions along the way, and it's all fun. You can click on the pictures and they move, and you can have them like highlight certain words and read certain words. So it's really fun and interactive for each of the students, and they can all have fun while they do it. So that is a very brief overview of Starfall. There's a lot more things over here. Just you can have a calendar, which is nice for the beginning of the day.
Yippee! It's April 2013. Let's make a calendar.
It's just a fun activity for them at the beginning of the day to kind of sit down when you first get to class and just go over the days of the week and figure out what day today is.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
And then they click on, like, if it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and they pick the day, and then they go ahead and they pick the day of the, like, what date, and then they pick what day was yesterday and what day is tomorrow, and it's just a fun way to get them to, like, constantly remember how to tell dates. And there is a very brief overview of Starfall.